Yes, I'm live and direct at my backyard pig farming. I'm inside the pen right now just to show my viewer out there how my pigs have been doing. As little as they are, I'm enjoying them. Despite the fact that they are not much, but I just started last year, late last year, and these 4 pig, I personally was the one that trained them right from piglet up to this stage as they are. These 4 pigs, so which I believe before the end of this year I will have more piglets, and before the end of this year also I will also have pig that will also go for sale. But right now I'm still enjoying them, and they too are enjoying me. We are enjoying ourselves. I also use the manure for my backyard farming. I have a lot of things at my backyard here. I have different species of vegetable at the backyard. I also have plantain. I also have some fish in my pond. But you all know the current situation of the country, so most of the ponds are empty for now because of the challenges we have in terms of fuel. So I have to invest my money on pig right now to save more costs and also to have more gain at the same time. Oh, they don't want you to eat. Don't mind them. Yeah, can still manage from there. Don't worry. As time goes on, we are going to expand the pen. But for now, we're still it's only 2 that is existing for now. But the expansion is ongoing because we are still going to separate all these ones grouped together here. We are still going to separate them. You are doing well. As you can see, they are all busy eating. Assuming there is no food now, you will see that every one of them, they'll be struggling, shouting, but because of the food, no violence, they are all calm. Every one of them are busy doing what they know how to do best, which is eating. So I want to advise all our viewers out there, if you have a space in your backyard, you can also have backyard pig farming, which can also help you. You can do it for your own personal consumption, and at the same time, you can also serve the community in which you belong to. And by the end of the day, you will also make money from it. Don't forget that the poo are not even waste. They are fertilizer that you can also use to fertilize your vegetable. That can also fetch you money. Like me, people comes from the from within the neighborhood in order to do what? To buy vegetable from me, and I also get money from there. Yeah. So you also, if you have a space in your backyard, you can also start big farming business at that little corner that you are, and before you know it, it also bring what? Money for you, and can also turn to a large scale business. You can see this one is enjoying after eating. Drop into the lagoon to stream. Let me open the shower so that I can shower. Let me just drop this so that you can see how my pigs are doing. Next, I'm going to show you how they also enjoy themselves in terms of when we exchange the water. You will also see how they will also be enjoying the water as well. Thank you for watching. God bless you.